So here we go, guys. What I had going on, I didn't really have any warning of what was going on. I didn't have any hesitation. It was running great. You guys want to go get some coffee? We gotta leave those blankets here, though. Okay. Yeah, put your iPads and blankets there. Today we have our friends from HAGGAI coming down, and they we're gonna come for a concert anyway, so we're gonna check the injectors. I will get you a waffle. Waffy or waffle. Hey, Tiki. But yeah, we're gonna just flow test the injectors with the computer. See what's going on. He wants what? Oh, okay. Well, we can't bring those, baby. You want to come with us? You want to come to Dunkin'?
If he wants to keep going.
You what?
There's coffee there.
There's a coffee? It might be Mama's. Because her Starbucks is closed today. Oh no. We did get our donuts. Oh yeah. Yummy. The Starbucks is closed, so the line got a little bigger. But luckily we got here early, right? Right on time. So Mom's gonna go with Dunkin' today. Yummy. Is that cool? Leaving Dunkin', I spotted this thing. It's a brushless car wash. That is gorgeous. Drop top. That's a pretty car. All right, let's get home with this stuff. Well, so we're going to a concert tonight. Nico Moon. So Allison brought her computer. We're gonna go play with the W900. This awesome Jeep. I haven't been in this thing. I love it. Better fuel mileage than the Ram? No. These things don't get that good of fuel mileage. No. I want one of these eventually.
Mine got like 18 on the way up here. This got like 16.
Ooh. Yeah, so we're gonna go play with some injectors, see what's going on. So here we go, guys. What I had going on, I didn't really have any warning of what was going on. I didn't have any hesitation. It was running great. And then came to a stoplight about 2 miles after dropping that heavy water load, and she just started popping and hesitating and vibrating. So we got the good old computer, and what are we gonna do, Allison?
Well, first we're gonna see if we can cut the cylinders out and see if it's a cylinder.
Okay, cut each one off individually?
Yeah, because it should, if it's one of the cylinders, it'll stop that noise.
Okay,
it'll
just
dump enough fuel in it.
So we'll try that first.
We'll look at the valves real good, make sure they're good.
All right, cool. So right off the bat, Allison logs into it. The check engine light never came on. But what's it showing us?
VGT position.
VGT. When that's your little box next to your turbo, guys. If you have an ISX, it's an actuator in there, little gear motor. And it's saying that it's not registering right now. So she's going to try and tap into it and make it do its thing. If it doesn't do its thing, then we know that that's bad. So we tapped into the VGT, and it's not that. It's showing, what, 4% you said?
Yeah.
It's actually trying to work. And now we're going to go in and try and mess with us shutting down cylinders. What's this software called?
Cummins Insight.
Cummins Insights. Did that stop the smoke?
Nope.
It's a 3. This software is amazing, guys.
This cylinder's dead.
Nothing.
It ain't changing.
So cylinder 4 on or off is doing nothing. And that's the one with the valve. The lobe, I think. The lobe. That didn't do nothing either.
Hey, you can feel it. You don't feel it?
Oh yeah, you can feel that. So right now, guys, she's turning off the cylinders. She can run it off one cylinder if she wants. She turns off the whole back 3 cylinders are off now. Now all 4 are off. Now it's just a 1 cylinder. Goodness gracious. Tell me what you're thinking. What are you looking at?
Your truck's done.
Yeah.
You need a head.
Okay.
You take high enough. You look at these springs. Look how high the spring is.
Yeah.
And that
You
should
got
be
no
loose.
play. You got zero play.
Yep.
And that's from the cam. You guys see how that one has play? Well, it doesn't matter what stroke it's on. It still should have a little bit.
Yep. Like this one should have a little bit of play too.
And that's stuck. That's 3 and that's 4. The ones you were messing with on the computer.
Yep.
So we need a head.
And then this one's gonna be down.
Okay, so that's the one that's on the stroke. All right, well, 3 and 4 right here, guys, in the middle. We need a head. So we're gonna have to be ripping this thing apart. We'll probably do new injectors and everything too. That's not good.
I'm like, so the marks are down here. So if I'm close to C, then I'm checking the rockers.
To see if they're gonna have some play in them.
Yep.
And they still don't.
That one does.
So the 4.
No, 3.
3 does.
So we gotta rotate it all the way back.
So what we're doing, guys, we're bumping the ignition to get it off so it's not compressing on the rocker. So at number 4, where it's supposed to be loose, has 0 play, guys. Nothing. So what does that mean? It means that the valves are
coming up in the head.
okay. Not good, guys.
Right now we're in between B and C. So when you're running the overhead, if you're on B, then C will be loose as well. So you can technically get your feeler gauge set to run that cylinder. And right now both of these should be loose. This one's loose, and this one you cannot move it at all.
And that's
so what's happening is the valves in the bottom of the head are coming up. So there's these little seals at the bottom that the valve actually rides on, and they go out.
And when that's out, then the valve's coming up too high.
Yep.
Okay, so that's why it's got no play
So
in
it's
it.
actually, that valve's trying to be closed, but it's not. So it'll be popping back through.
Okay, and that's the same one that has all the marks on it.
Yep.
Okay, that's our problem, guys. But because of that, the whole head's got to come off. Whole head's got to come off. So we're getting a new head, guys, and if we're doing that, if the head's off, we're going all the way, baby. I love it. All right, now we got to get this thing back to Griffin, Georgia. So that's the consensus. We're buttoning her back up. We're going to see if we can get it towed. They have a couple people they know. So that's the consensus, guys. The valve cover's back on. We're going to HAGGAI, and if we need a new head, we're going all the way. So we're going to go new turbo, have a brand new motor, but I guess it's just that little seal at the bottom of the valve, right? And they just go out. So it's a sad thing, but does it happen to all motors? It just
I mean, everybody has issues with them.
Yeah.
It's just when and where.
When and where? So, but did we think that the lobe on that cam helped it, or?
No, I'm thinking that that's why that lobe is going out, is because it kept coming up, and the more up it comes, it's pushing more on that
pushing on the cam. So it might not have nothing to do with that screw that was there. It was just maybe had a little bit of something. A little fluke thing that screw was right next to that lobe.
Yeah, because the cam's not really that bad. So the rocker arms are the actual wearable part. The cam is not.
Okay.
So the rocker arms, a lot of times the little copper rings will get like froze, and then the cam will just spin on that and it'll hit the cam up.
Okay.
But like your cam's not, I mean it's bad, but it's not nowhere near as bad enough to cause
what was going on.
Okay. So it knew it had to be something else.
Something else. So we thought maybe injectors, but it's definitely hopefully injectors, but no, it's valve. All right, guys, we're coming apart. Let's get to HAGGAI. T-Dub's got a little package here.
No, you got a package.
And she's like, what did you order?
Yeah, I'm like, what did you order? It was from RTS.
RTS, guys.
And they said, Happy New Year. They sent us a little, this is so cute.
What?
It's got peppermint, fatty sundaes.
What in the
chocolate
world?
covered pretzels.
Thank you,
Check this
RTS.
out.
Thank you, Brian. Brian Rooney.
I'm going to go into this.
Could have had this for our Cancun trip. It'd been awesome.
Yes.
Thank you, RTS. Oh my goodness. If you guys wonder what RTS is, they're a great factoring company. One of the top 3, I'd say.
It's more than just
So
factory,
check them out.
too.
We have a code in our description of all of our videos. But we don't really use factoring, but we did partner with them to just talk about them. Hey, heck yeah. But they're a great company, guys. So check them out. RTS Factoring. If you're going to factor loads, if you're using any of those load boards.
That is so sweet. And this is an awesome bag.
It has like the insulation.
Yeah.
Like, what symbol is that? Is that just like?
I guess it's, I don't know.
That's not RTS's symbol. RTS is just RTS.
I know, but I don't know. But this is awesome.
Well, cool. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Brian.
This is so
That's
cool.
awesome. And yes, the truck is going to HAGGAI, baby. You excited about that? Get rid of me for a whole week. You're not excited about that?
You should have seen my face, and you should have got my.
Yeah, her reaction when I first told her. But the best thing is, like, You couldn't ask for a better thing from God, like letting me break down after delivering the load and 28 miles from home and being able to limp it home. And then, good friend, of course we're going to a concert, but why not check those injectors and stuff? That was cool. Super cool how she could turn off the cylinders and all that, but when we turned off 4, nothing happened. So that gave us a little clue. We thought it might still be injectors, but then with no movement in those rockers, guys, that means you're getting a new head. And the truck, that's the original head, I would say. I don't know. But when I bought my Volvo, it just had a brand new head put on it, like under 100,000 miles. So heads go, guys. It's the valves. So we're going to go all in, guys. New turbo. We're going to do injectors.
What is it called?
Turbo. We're going to be, I like your blanket.
I do too.
But,
this stuff is bomb, bro.
what?
You gotta try it.
What is it? Like Chex Mix kind of stuff?
Called Pringles.
That same symbol's on that blanket.
I know, I saw it.
Wonder what that is. Let us know what that is, RTS. Brian, please, in the comments. But I appreciate you, Allison. Thanks for coming down and just confirming before we went any further. Confirming how much money we got to spend. But we're going to have a brand new truck. Brand new interior, brand new motor. And then we can keep making loads. Is it good?
Yeah.
Did you eat a pretzel or just this check stuff?
I had the pretzel and the truck stuff.
Yeah. All right. Well, we're going to watch Nico Moon tonight.
Yeah.
Enjoy football tomorrow. And then I got to start turning wrenches with Allison. Woo! Almost hit him in the head. So Lucy is knocking Kylan down as he runs away from her. Pretty abruptly.
Also me too.
You too? Does he do that to you or she does that to you?
Yeah, you
Really? Whoa, Cash. What are you playing, dude? It is really cold outside and Kylan's the only one braving it. But he gets on his little four-wheeler like that and talks to the neighbor.
Yeah, that's what
Probably not good for the handlebars, but hey. What's up, dude? Put your arm through my sweater. Kason? Thank you. But yeah, we're gonna hang out with these guys for a little bit, go to a concert tonight, and then watch some foosball with you tomorrow. You cannot come to the concert. You're too small. Maybe when you get older, maybe we'll go to your concerts. Stop pulling on that, please. Stop pulling on that. You cannot come. All right, let's go. We're gonna go hang out at Gigi's for a little bit. Okay, they're safe and sound at Gigi's, so we can go out and do a little dinner tonight and see this concert. Should be cool. Nico Moon. But first, let's get home, and I'm gonna change maybe. But that's so cool to have Allison to be able to be there and just to confirm what we got going on before I actually take that truck back over there. We wanted to see if it might have just been an injector or something, but what a blessing to have family like that and be that good with the Cummins motor. It's unfortunate, but it's going to happen. Just like I said earlier, the Volvo already had a new head on it. That's probably the original head, made almost 700,000 miles, and I could just do the head. The bottom end's probably still good for another 300,000 or so, but if I'm taking it apart, I'm going all the way. I keep saying that, but I'll hopefully bring you guys along with the journey and teach you what you can do to get by. If you have the means to go all the way with it and do it yourself, you can save some money, and we'll show you all the parts, what they're going to cost. And I'm going brand new turbo, brand new actuator, all that stuff, just so I don't have to even worry about that in the future. So it's going to be a little bit more money, but more peace of mind, and I won't have to worry about it. Well, I will worry about it down the road, but not for a while, hopefully. Let's get home, change. Let's go watch a concert. But huge shout out to HAGGAI and Allison they were going to come anyways for the concert, but bringing the computer and shutting down each one of the cylinders like she did, and just her expertise of going through these motors over and over again. She knew exactly what was wrong when she felt those rockers. So it's unfortunate, it's sad, but God watched over me, and I mean, I can't imagine if that would have happened like at a truck stop halfway home on that heavy water load. I wouldn't have been able to deliver the load. Would have been stuck there, might have done more damage because it was under a heavy load. But it waited till 2 miles away from dropping the load to say, hey, I'm hurt, get me back. And we got her back, and now we'll get her over to HAGGAI and we'll get her work done. We'll get her fresh, painted up, pretty, brand new red top in there. Not a red top, but a red motor. So, all right, let's get this thing going. Back to T-Dubs, she's getting her makeup and all that stuff done. Having one more nice night with T-Dubs, and then hang out all day tomorrow with the boys. And then spend a week or two in South Georgia. Guys, I had to change my outfit twice because of all these three. Well, actually, these two right here. This one.
It's not my
Can't
fault.
really point right. Anyways, we're gonna go watch a little concert, enjoy our weekend before we do the rebuild.
Sushi first.
And I had a cowboy hat on. I also got vetoed by Allison.
That
She
wasn't
said,
me.
You better
I
take
like
that hat right back where you found it. And I said, okay. So I'm gonna go with the baseball cap. We're gonna watch Nico Moon. We know 2 songs about 12 emails probably. But we love you guys. God bless you. We'll see you on the next one. Tomorrow's football. And then we got Monday. We start tearing stuff apart. If we can get a truck there, we gotta find a tow first. But love you guys. God bless. Bye.
Bye.
Well, we ended up up on the roof. A beautiful sunset. Got the Northern Star and one tiny cloud out there. Downtown Greenville. I'm gonna miss you, but we got to spend some time out there south of Atlanta. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's do this.